Hi, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to edit pictures using Camera Raw filter in Photoshop. I'm going to edit this picture of mine. Now let's begin. I just come here under Camera Raw filter, click it, then it will give you this dialog box here with very many options. Now what happens is very simple. You can see temperature, tint, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, textures, clarity, depth, values. Now all of them you can use them to edit a picture. For example, this picture has so much exposure or too much brightness. What do? I can easily reduce it here like so, maybe to that extent. Maybe I want to increase the contrast. What do? I'll just come and pull this one like this. Maybe the contrast to be high. The highlights or shadows, maybe I want them to be high. Maybe I want it to be a little bit brighter again. I'll just do that. Maybe I want to minimize the shadows. So what will I do? I'll just click this one like that. What about the whites? Maybe there's too much white. I was also reduce this one, but you realize it's becoming dark. What about the blacks? Maybe I increase the blacks. You'll see the brightness will go up like that. What about the texture? Maybe I want clarity, more texture. I'll just pull this up like this, and the texture will go up. I mean the texture of the material that is in the photograph. But with the clarity, I want more clarity in my picture. I'll just pull this one a little bit like that. What about days? Also you can experiment. This one changes a little bit of color and many other aspects. What about vibrance? I want the picture to be more vibrant. Maybe I choose like this. Saturation, maybe I want to add more color in my picture. I'll use this one like this. Maybe a little bit of exposure like that. I'll just do like that. Now there are many options here that you can use just to play around with the colors. There are these other options here. We'll look at this next time. For today, let's just cover this one here where you can play around with this. After that, you're satisfied, you can also compare the picture the way it was before and how it was right now. You can see that how it was before and how you have edited like that. Also, you can put adjustment like that before and after. Then after that, you can just press OK. The changes will be reflected in your picture just like that. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch the next video where I'll show you more details of how to edit this picture in Camera Raw filter into more details.